So a little bit about why Enertion is doing this whole tour. Last year we did the US tour, and it was really good to not only bring the Raptor 2 to everyone, but to really grow the community. Electric skateboarding is a movement, not just a mode of transport. Getting together as a crew and riding is a culture.
Crystallize, making tricks flip. Hear the beats knock and make your heart skip. And then we ride on the mothership. Hop on the mothership and we ride. Crystallize, making tricks flip. Hear the beats knock and make your heart skip. And then we ride on the mothership. Hop on the mothership and we ride.
There's the low beam, and then there's the high beam.
Oh man,
that is so cool.
But we do love all these skaters from all over Germany, Sweden, Denmark, Australia. I appreciate you guys coming out.
My legs are twitching from the speed, from the adrenaline.
Yeah.
I love it. This is amazing, man.
Like, it's not gonna be like, oh, bikes against e-skate. That's like old school, man. It's all love, bro.